Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV, me blood clot.
Me ain't never there.
What?
Me ain't have the conversation there. Me go
Okay,
Jamaica
so
to me now.
why
Listen now,
a
listen
man
now,
will set
listen
up
now,
himself?
listen now, listen to me. Listen to me, you know, B. Cause you know what me I say about buckler true, you
This
know.
about
Me go
forget, man.
Jamaica, I'm now link you and you get upset. And you go link, not
Okay.
nice. And you left a bag of
Uh-huh.
message for my phone. Me come back from Jamaica, you call my
Uh-huh.
phone and I run gunshot for me. Boy, you have two in a gun and you have a
Uh-huh.
bus shot in a head. And me jump on my bike and pull up on your
Uh-huh.
yard. Why you come
Uh-huh.
tell people like say, me come over your
Andrew,
yard on a
have I
different
ever
level?
begged you? Andrew,
Two time you beg my money. Two time.
Andrew,
Two time.
have
And that
I
me talk on the
ever
live this
begged
morning.
you?
Two time you beg my
2
money.
times I
I'm
beg
talking
your
on the
money.
live.
All
And
right,
me say on the
Andrew.
live. All the while say I make you my money. See? So you
Andrew,
never hear me say, listen now, you are taking up,
Andrew,
you are diss me. You are not nice of an
uh-huh,
argument 3 weeks ago.
uh-huh.
And you tell me, go suck my
Andrew,
mother, me
at
have none.
2 week now, I'ma say what the fuck I said. At 2 week now, you're
See?
over there with Momo. I try make it seem like, oh, me a this gifted and woo woo. You the fuck come on my yard. You befriended me. So if me beg you blood clot money,
So,
what is the problem? If
listen to
my
what me I
man,
say.
if
You not,
my man
you
want me
not
a fuck
understand
one
this, you know.
bumper clock polo shirt, and you
Yeah.
want to give me the money for me buying polo
Stop
shirt,
lying, man.
what the
Stop
fuck?
lying, man.
What is
Alright,
your
gifted,
problem?
gifted, gifted.
What the
Stop going
problem?
like, alright, stop going like things are going for you, because you know they're not going
Nothing
for you. Stop that, man.
now what? That's what
Stop.
I said.
Stop.
Andrew,
Me
nothing now
come
going
around
for
here
me. The money
and
where
you
you give
cry.
me,
Yo, listen up.
Andrew,
Me come around here and you
Andrew.
boss and nothing in your house, your youth them. I'm going in your pocket because I have youth. I have money, I'm going in my pocket, I'm give
My
you money. Me never say
boss
you beg
me
my money two
hungry.
times. Two times you
Uh-huh.
beg my money and the
Uh-huh.
same thing.
Time you
My,
give me money.
what time you give you money?
Mm-hmm.
What time you give you money? I don't count what time you give you money.
Okay. My turn to talk. Me the pan Bumbuckler live as a germs. I talk about my body play them and eat niggas ass and
Yo,
nonsense.
don't mix me up in your body
No,
thing,
no,
because me
no,
ain't
no,
never have
no.
no body
Me just
conversation.
make you
Me
talk
ain't
just
the on
now.
live, have
I
no body
just make
conversation.
you
So
talk.
don't style me up in
Andrew,
your body
what is the
conversation.
problem?
My
Why
girl,
so
me
much
a try.
beautiful
Listen up,
girl in
listen, let me tell you
Florida?
this. Let me
Andrew,
tell you,
Andrew,
blood
Andrew,
clot this.
Andrew, Andrew, come in
Oi,
and argue
oi.
with you.
Listen up,
Cause
me
you
not
fin know the fuck
argue with
you
your night.
hide.
B,
You
B,
fin know where you hide, Andrew.
B.
Andrew, when the
Listen,
fuck? Alright, why
you
the
see that
interest?
girl?
You say you feel sorry
You see
for
that
me,
girl?
right?
You see
Me
you?
just come out of the blues, come beg your money, right? I
Listen up,
just come out of the blues.
listen
All
up,
because you
listen up.
hear me from my bumbo clock live with my body
Run
right.
in your
Bag
DM. I'm
of
start reason
cheesy.
with you. Pussy old
Uh-huh.
girl, me start bumbo clock
Uh-huh.
reason with you like a big man.
Uh-huh.
I'm go so boom and beg you your number. I'm here your chat. And you tell me where you live. I'm say
People
you're
in
there
the
20 minutes
comments.
down from me. Saying, I'm call you. Me call you.
Who
I say what
on
you
this
do.
see me about to ever kill me? Who see
Yo,
on this?
B,
And
listen to me
alright.
now, B. Listen to me now, B.
Andrew.
B,
Andrew.
listen to me. Cause you scandal me. You scandal me and you know
Andrew.
you lie for me,
Andrew.
B. You scandal
You
me
come
and you
from
know you
Momo
bumbo
live and
clock
see
lie
me.
for me.
Alright, since I get now make me talk, you're gonna let me talk? Andrew, we not the
No,
pan
what
of
me I
bag of
said to you,
raisin.
say, you're the on the live and
Andrew,
scandal me
you
and you
come
lie
from
for me, B.
Momo live and see me a talk about eating niggas ass, eating niggas ass,
You
and
liar.
you,
Me not see you on no
Andrew,
more live. Me not see you on no, me not know you from no more live. Me and more them just start go live. Not even a fucking month. And not nice life me
Andrew,
always depend. You liar, B. You
Andrew,
liar and not nice life me
Andrew,
always depend. And stop style me up in your body man thing, B.
Andrew,
Cause you know me none of them
stop.
type of you there.
All
And
right.
you style me.
Here we
And
go on.
you listen now, listen now, listen now, B.
Cause you know want to talk the truth. You're gonna see me and Momo go back and forth. Uno no see the other day say me and Momo say, all right, we now are, we are keep it casual. We are not friends, we are keep it casual. I wanna see me pan Momo live. Every time I go live, me in the comment. One thing, me not go tell lie. Man, like a batty man friend not nice. Me not go tell lie. You understand? Me know when for life or when they tell the truth. Uno no see me last year, me and Momo war. Uno never see me a war. People me read the comment, man. Uno type. Come here, go add anybody we want come talk. Me go add no. Me and Momo say we are not friends, but we go keep it casual. Now everyone wanna see me talk about eating niggas ass and fucking about you. Me take cocky about people. People wanna be honest with me now. Be honest with me now. This man claim to say. Him never see me pan alive with Momo. On the ear when say just now. This man see me pan live with Bumbo Clat, Momo, and Mellow, and I talk about eating niggas' ass. And Momo say, no, not we. Let's clarify. You eat niggas' ass. I don't eat ass. And this man, Andre Green, chose to take it upon himself for come on my yard, people. For come on my yard. Me meet him round a Shizzle Sherlock when Not Nice invite me a some fish fry thing. Them a bumbo clock cook fish fry. You understand? Me meet this nigga round a Shizzle Sherlock yard. So me I say, if I'm so horrible, cause them want company internet come spread it. So me is a horrible bumbo clock, me a germs, me a drunker. Which not surprising. We knew that. We knew Gifted was a $10 bag of cigarette of hoe. We already know that. And I'm not new, right? And you hear me talk about fucking a body, lick out ass and put finger in a man body. And you ask my phone number and my address and you reach my bumbleclot yard. People, makuta, honestly. You know, right now, me I try. You see me a stada, me I try compress. Me I try compress. Andre Allen, you come on my bumbleclot yard cause you want me for fucking your body. Mr. Andre Green. To how me head I go to Pussyclad. Me the pan live I talk about my sexuality. Me the pan live I talk about my sexuality. And Mr. Andre Green from Fort Lauderdale bumbleclot deal. From Fort Lauderdale, come in on my DM, reach on my blood clot yard and start bring me money. The reason why you bring my blood clot money, cause you take interest in the fucking conversation. Which real Jamaican man would know say, girl, the pan live I talk about put finger in a batty wall and all type of something. And reach on them blood clot yard. You think them people are idiots? You think them people are idiot on the blood clot gram? Him a go say, him see me. Pan live about say me I go kill my blood class if I him. People in the comment, pa uno kids, type and tell me if uno see Gifted pan live with this man about say me I go kill myself. You're full of too much bumbleclot excuse. Uno for live on no truth. Live on no blood clot truth. I fuck you the one me fuck you in your body. I fuck you the one me fuck out your body wall. I fuck you the one me fuck you Mr. Andre Green will live a Fort Lauderdale. You in the bumbleclot comment and see me pan bumbleclot live with y'all. I talk about fuck nigga with finger in a body. And you as a Jamaican man, a firm believer, a Jamaican bumbleclot man, you are going to come pan internet. Come tell the people them say, you feel sorry for me because you see me. This a girl will run pussy like a hot bread. This a girl will ever fuck. This a girl ya fucky sucky doky. One rocky and no cocky. This a girl ya you felt sorry for me? Huh? Me? Nigga, you're mad because the money where you give me the whole of the bumbleclot money the day when you pull up to my house with the $400 dog. I take the money go buy a polo shirt, a polo bumbleclot shirt. I take go buy for one of your friend them. And that I take the money and do. So you are try convince the bumbleclot people them. Say, you feel sorry for me? Me beg your money? Bitch, undercover batty boy Andre Green from Fort Lauderdale. Mama ask you this, dog. Mama really ask you this. Ya par with Not Nice, we bounty killer bumbleclot this a runway. We get raped, right? Are your best friend. No lock up in our house, sleep and bed together under one sheet. Hug foot pan one another. And you are tell the public, no, sir. Say the only reason why you talk to Gifted and is because you felt sorry for me. If bumbleclot people see people on internet a cry, you feel sorry. Me have Zelle. Me have Cash App. Where the fuck you do my bumbleclot? You had to ask me if my bumbleclot baby them gone to bed. Huh? Where the fuck you do on my yard? I pull up on my bumbleclot yard and I slap up bumbleclot body jaw. Huh? I say you feel sorry for people? I say you feel sorry for me but your cocky stiff in your hand because you hear about body play. Not true. Not true. I could talk about Mr. Andre Green. From Fort Lauderdale. Me could talk about it. Me avoid you for 1 week, brother. Everybody I text me. I say, Gifted. I'm gonna see you go live. I'm gonna see you go live because me say, you know what? This nigga going in pocket. Give me him money. You understand? Even though me take his spend on the next man. Osha circle. Osh. I say, go one of them days there. And me I say, me now go this yo. But you overdo it now. Undercover batty boy, yeah, overdo it now. Cause everybody with blood clot parring and not nice camp. I so good. Remember say them back so bumbo clot, not nice teeth. Them back so him teeth and have them on him knees with them head catch up in a blood clot can and fuck him in a mouth. And that me a blood clot tell you. And you and him a bestie. Wanna drink out for one bumbo clot cup in a party. So don't you fuck yourself with no line or come tell a lie on me. From the day me I go live, you no never see me ping no cash up and me have cash up and Zelle. Me have bumbo clock cash up and Zelle, dog. Don't tell no lie on me. You no ever hear me a beg pan this bumbo clock, gram? Every live when me go pan, you see me type say pussy for sale. Pussy for sale. Am I lying? You see me pan bumbo clock live, Mr. Andre Green. I hear me a talk about fuck out man, batty and all type of shit. Me could be honest, me could be bumbo clock real. Cause this is what you wanted. And if I don't want to get exposed and I don't know how to expose myself, you know. So I go on and go on and go on. 7 days. A 7 days me no click live for. 7 days me I behave myself. Me go over Foley, me go over Deso, me run me like a joke, and me I avoid, don't know. Me I avoid, don't know. Me I avoid. Me say Gifted, don't be ungrateful. Don't be ungrateful. But me could deal with it now. Me could talk about it, Mr. Andre Green from Fort Lauderdale. Me could talk about it. Your cocky never stiff. You claim to say you never see me on Momo live but talk about eating niggas ass. Who in the comment believe this man? Who in the comment believe that this man no see me nowhere on this live talking about batty play? Nowhere. Who believe this man? Who believe this man? Mr. Andre Green, if you look for me to expose you, well, you got your wishes. Your company life, me and Momo Melo them a man who own bumbuckler business. Me over there talk about eating niggas ass and put finger in a man body hole. And you take a likings to me. You take a likings to me. That's why you continuously pull up at my fucking house. Then if your blood clot come in my yard unannounced. And me no must beg your pussy. Me no must beg you. Which bumbo clock Jamaican woman you know, man I go pull up and bike, boom, 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 boom. We don't call them phone or nothing. And them the bumbo clock beg you. As you reach at the door, me like, hey, you know what? As a matter of fact, them just cut off my light. Zell me want 4 bills. My light off, pop. Bumbo clock, me turn off light. Sorry. Yeah, them just cut off my light. Zell me want 4 bills. Zell me want 4 bills. Since I just said me beg you. Yeah, man. Mama give you a reason to come chat. Them cut off the light. Cause you want something to say. Zell me want 4 bills. Yeah. You see, Uno, me tell me bumbo clot Uno. Uno, a dirty batty man. Uno always I try. See, this some people when nah this Uno. Nobody on this blood clot live can say me click live and try this yo. Nobody on this live can say me click live and bumbo clot try this yo. Me always say me give you the uttermost respect. But me no know if a Momo camp you want to be accepted in. Probably at that you try be a part of the Momo membership camp. Yeah. So yeah, I try. Because the leader said for this gifted, me I got this gifted. But mama tell her this. Anything in the dark I go come out to light. Anything in the dark I go come out to the bumbo clock light. And honestly and my fucking children, me can't say, dog, I never reach out to you. I never reach out to you. You, Bumbleclot, reach out to me. You reach out to Bumbleclot. Me, you pull up on my blood clot yard with Bumbleclot liquor. Kawa, we go and get drunk and we go and play up in your shit pit. Is that it? Is that it? We were gonna get drunk and we play up in your shit pit? No. You need to start live your blood clot truth. And that you need to start and stop tell life and Bumbleclot me. Cause when you talk, nobody pan the Bumble live never open the live see me a ball to this. Me ala cancel my address you. Open this live. You're trying to be a part of Momo camp. I'm always telling myself when I find people with 8 people, on a gang up in a them circle and try to build this group. But I'm tell you something, no farmer evil will farm against me. Can't blood clot prosper. No farmer evil will farm against me. Can't prosper. Dog, you reach on my Bumbleclot yard because you wanted me to play up in your shit pit. Until you accept the truth, that's why you're friend with Batman, not nice. We're not best friend. So the fuck you come over here, come and chat like, dog, go over Momo, go sell a little donkey store about me a ball. People, when uno see me a ball per life, but me a go kill my Bumbleclot self. Well, last year, when me did I go through postmortem depression, me just meet the pussy this year when me start talk about fucking a body and put finger in a Bumbleclot man body. And this year, me meet this clown. This Bumbleclot here, no last year. So if I some old blood clot video you go draw for, when me just have my baby, and I go through postmortem blood clot depression, and I go through my little heartbreak and my break up with my blood clot baby father, and me the pan like, and that you talk about, bitch nigga, me never know you. You start come about when we start talk about fucking a body. At that time, I start see your show up on blood clot and the Bumbleclot comment. That time, me know the whole of Uno. Anytime gifted start talk about finger in a body and dildo in a body and eat niggas ass, Uno pop up. Uno pop the fuck up. Me know Uno. So nobody come here so come pretend over Momo with blood clot that come nigga talk the truth. You go say me beg you, the fuck you come on me yard for that? Then me not fi beg you. Me not fi beg you. Huh? You come on me yard, what the fuck you come on me yard for? What were the reason you come on me yard? Can you feel sorry for me? Huh? You feel sorry for me and a Bumbleclot go pay a counselor and let me get counseling if you feel like something is wrong with me? Where the fuck you come and me yard for come and slap up Bumbleclot body draw and a hold on in a and a kiss? Are you dumb? Are you blood clot dumb? You're like a dirty Bumbleclot daughter. You're like a slimy pitney. Huh? You need to be yourself and be Bumbleclot true to who you is and stop living a lie. Now pussy clot are living a lie. And that's why no found no dirty bitch on this Instagram as some Batman. Or no give birth to Batman pitney. Cause you no have man like them. We're interested in a girl for playing at them shit pit a breed, you know. Or no interest in a them. Eh? Bumbleclot Batman not nice with Bumbleclot bounty killer box. You could hear the box. You could have Bumbleclot stay half a tree. Hear the box from Bumbleclot see view. Dirty blood clot not nice. Where everybody beat go and beat go and beat go man beat go and beat go. Are your best friend. Live your blood clot truth, dog. Live your truth. You're over there with more man. Oh. No, me have to wax in blood clot pick me them too. Me have to wax, cause you know them love play picnic game. So make me be the first for wax. This like a pussy see me on live. I talk about pussy for sale and eat niggas ass. This nigga running on my Bumbleclot. Run up in a me. Run up in a me. Me not care who the fuck one believe me. I tell you no like it is. Him come on my Bumbleclot yard. Me never call this man one day and say, yo, me come on him yard. Isn't me I say? The fuck ya? Come talk about your car brother come on my Bumbleclot yard, come and drink and a smoke and all kind of something and come. Dog, stop playing with my brother. Stop playing with me. Stop blood clot play with me. Stop play with me. Go tell your baby mother what you are. Come from me see the little shaky movements between you and not nice. Me know what time it is, Mr. Andre Green. You see me I say? From a see, the little shakiness, I come talk about business partner. What kind of business not nice of? What kind of business not nice of? Cause Bunty beat him. Every man him go around beat him and run him. What kind of business not nice of besides from him a bisexual? What kind of business? You give money him run batty wall? You give money him run batty wall? Of course me have a bumbo clot strap on, but if me have a strap, I never strap blood clot on. Never strap on, strap in, strap out, and strap even better. CVS. What the fuck? Hey. Your final warning. Mr. Andre Green, leave me alone. Leave me alone. May I beg you, leave me alone. Go take care of like a dust bunny them. Take care of dust bunny. Leave me alone. May I beg you, do. You say me beg you. You say I'm sliding on your DM. You say you feel sorry for me. The whole story you want bumbuckler can cook. Man feel sorry for your pussy seller cause me they want kill myself. Then how about me so? What about me? Make you feel so. What about me? Me call you. Both my pitney them. Me call you. Both my bumbuckler pitney them. And no others blood clot man will live in England. The nigga them with pound. Me not call both my pitney but me call. You bought my bumbo clap it them. Are you mad? Are you mad? You're crazy. Your heart goes out to me. And you come on my yard, come drink and smoke. So all drink and smoking and batty play and come in and feel sorry for me. If you say you feel sorry for me. Uno feel sorry for me. Then I call you for call me or give me a word of prayer or let me pray for you. Let me pray for you. Let me introduce you to a church gifted. Let me introduce you to a church. If you say you see me a ball pan the net, you see me a ball pan the net, then not invite me. If you invite me to a church, how the fuck you reach my bumbuckler yard pan batty play and you what about you did feel sorry for me? What about bumbuckler sorry for? What is sorry for? Oh God. As some people feel sorry for people. You need to live your blood clot truth. You see me upon live, you hear me talk about play with man body and your cocky get hard. You hear me talk about eating nigga. Your cocky get stiff in your blood clot and you tell yourself, say, I have to get to know the blood clot girl. I'm going to be nice to the girl and maybe she wouldn't come for life, come talk. That's what you did. That's why you keep on coming to my house and I give me $400 and $300. Because you say, my God, you know, say gifted love money, I pussy yourself. So maybe if I go and give her the $400 and the $300, you know, she will go and play with my rear end and she not go tell nobody, she not go click live. Nigga, you fucked it up. Are you fucking up now? Cause 7 days I watch you over there with Momo do you think I may never utter a word. Me never say a word, Mr. Andre Green. Me never say a word. Me never say a word, but you're overdoing it. No, me a human being. Me is human being. I'm a bumbuckler feelings. You think you're going to keep on poke the bear, I'm going to keep secret for you? You think you're going to keep on poking the bear, I'm never keep secret for you? Huh? I'm never keep bumbuckler secret for you? You come with the intention of me fucking you in your ass, and that is the truth about it. You do the maths in your head and say, maybe if I be nice to this girl and give her money, she'll go hold my secret. That's the maths that you did in your head. But you fucked up because you keep on, every time more they live, you keep on, and you keep on, and you keep on, and oh, gifted and gifted and gifted, and people are say gifted, then why the man you keep on coming for you? Why the man you keep on coming? I lay down, you know, watch it rain, you know, so me go out, you know, and me get a call and I say, gifted, then why the man you keep on for you? And I say, yo, him cool and rare, I'm say, yo, fuck it. You want people to know who you are? Make people be knowing of who you are. You feel like you could have bribed me. You pull up to my house with the intention to either fuck in the ass or get fucked in the ass. So you tell yourself, say, yeah, The girl a street dog, a road piss, a night mongrel. So if me give her $400 and 500 and 300, she go keep her mouth closed. And she not go click live and send up no matter how me this her. But you fucked up. You fucked the fuck up. You got this shit fucked up, bro. You got this shit fucked the fuck up. Live your fucking truth. Live your fucking truth. See nice clean bumbo clock mellow over there. When no eat ass. When no fucking a body. None of them something there. And oh, you not reach out to them nice clean. Look how much nice clean girl. Look how much nice clean bumbo clock girl up on Instagram. Look how much nice clean bumbo clock woman. Clean, have career, well educated, got school, have them business. Oh, I give to the feel sorry for? Oh, the one we can drop the learn about you will you feel sorry for? Oh God. Oh God. Thanks for the sorry for. Thanks, yeah? Thanks. Cause somebody on this gram believe that bumbo clock fuckery. Let me guess, you ever go for the video from last year when me in the big puffy dirty ear, I'm up live when me I go through postmortem depression, not true. I go tell people about she was crying on internet. That's why I reach out to her. Cut this shit. Cut the fucking shit. Cut that shit. Mr. Green, you took interest in me because I am the only dry-faced, bold-faced mongrel that can come out and talk the truth about fucking y'all niggas in y'all ass. And your dick get hard every blood clot time me click live and say it. Every time I talk, you have your hood in your hand. Because me a girl you can come around and be with and live your truth. I'm not gonna judge you. I'm not gonna judge you. If a batty hole you want to drop you cocky, you know. If you want to have threesome and me a suck a man hood and you over the next side I suck the same man hood, me nah go judge you. As some stay, me don't live for judge, me live for the truth. And you took interest in me. But you feel like bumbo clock the girl a mad girl in about she love money. So here what me I go do? Me go pull up her house and dash your money upon her. But you fucked up. Cause me never did I go say nothing. Me did I go watch your momo over there. But you constantly poke the bumbo clock beer. You constantly feel like, oh, the girl a mad girl, so me can't say no and she not go answer. You got this shit fucked up. You got this shit fucked up, Mr. Andre Green. So anybody on this blood clot live want to believe you that you felt